Any power strip will work in a pinch to add a few extra outlets to a room, but it's important to find one that will not leave your electronic devices vulnerable to harmful power surges. The latest models have more than just a few outlets, as well as smart connectivity options and energy monitoring features. So today we have come with a list of the 5 best power strips with surge protection, which will ensure both power and safety to your equipment.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the Bototech Surge Protector, coming with advanced surge protection technology that protects the strip and all the connected electronics from unexpected increases in voltage. It provides 4 USB charging ports for getting your smartphones and tablets juiced up without any worry. On top of its USB portabilities, the Bototech packs 10 AC outlets and sports a protection rating of up to 2100 joules. Bototech has even made sure that its power strip stays safe in a potential dangerous situation, making it flame retardant and heat resistant up to 1382 Fahrenheit. In the event of power overload, the reliable double break safety switch will trip off automatically to protect your devices and your home. With a high surge protection rating and ample ports for not only your biggest block-style plugs but also USB charging cables, the Bototech Surge Protector offers a fantastic surge protection for the price, and that's why we have listed it at number 5 on our list. Next up at number 4, we have the Bestech USB Power Strip. Sometimes a standard power strip can get pretty cramped when you've got a lot plugged into it. A tower-style surge protector can help you ensure the things you plug into it and don't get in the way of one another, and the Bestech Power Strip Tower is a phenomenal option. The upright tower configuration conveniently exposes 2 outlets on each side for easy access when placed in the center of the table. It also has 3 USB ports that can deliver its safest maximum charge up to 2.4 ampere per port, and its flat tower top makes it a nice place to leave devices while charging. The surge protection is modest, but this is primarily a power strip to plug into when power is needed versus a permanent power source for expensive equipment. Taking the number 4 spot, the Bestech's 8-outlet surge protector is versatile enough to sit on a desk or work table where plugs are frequently needed or switched out temporarily. At number 3, we have got the Monoprice Rotating Surge Strip. Protect your electronic equipment from damaging voltage and current spikes with the Monoprice Surge Protector. Rated for 120V 15A or total 1800 watts of power, this surge strip provides up to 2160 joules of power protection to ensure safe power to your devices. It has total 8 outlets that rotate 180 degrees for using with AC adapters, while being able to handle up to 144,000 ampere of current spikes. For your concern, this power strip has got LED on top that illuminates in order to indicate that your surge protector is providing protection to your devices or electric equipment. Weighing at around 1.85 pounds, This surge strip might seem a little bit bulky, but the efficiency it delivers is absolutely amazing, thus it takes the third spot on our list pretty decently. On number 2, we've got the 360 electrical power curve. This is the first power strip that is officially double take worthy. Wrapped within its bolt curves, there are 6 patented rotating outlets that turn a full 360 degree to fit whatever bulky plug your tech can dish out and charge any electronic devices or operate an electric equipment very easily. It has a total 1800 watt of power deliverance to your devices, and its 90 degree low profile right angle plug is pretty much convenient but may seem a little bit problematic to some. Weighing at around 1.2 pounds, this power strip is portable enough to be taken to anywhere and use it without any hassle. Even though this power strip does not have any integrated USB port, but its rotatable charging ability feature just sums it up for a different type of convenience for you. Grinding all this together, this power strip has secured the second spot on this list, so if you want to ensure such convenient charging to your devices, then this power strip will be a very good option for you. Finally, at number 1, we have got the APC P8U2 power strip. You can connect as well as protect 8 electronic devices at the same time while charging, including 2 mobile devices through 2 additional USB ports with this power strip. If you look at this power strip, you'll definitely say that APC could have added more outlets in it. It has got a total surge energy rating of 2630 joules, and if you want more power, you can also get the 11 outlet version of this power strip to get a total 4320 joules of energy. This power strip can also attenuate EMI RFI line noise that can cause data errors and keyboard lockups, ensuring better performance of protected equipment. Its 180-degree rotating cord with strain relief offers flexibility in positioning the surge arrest and in routing the power cord very easily. It has got LED indicators which will inform users of potentially dangerous wiring problems in the wall circuit. Having all these amazing features, the APC P8U2 power strip has taken the first position on our list, which adds a great value to your lifestyle and handles every electrical jobs pretty efficiently. So that was all about the 5 best surge protector available in 2020. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. And do subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.